Hey, are you like me working with different projects and in the end of the day not actually completing them, not making actual good progress in them? Even while using Notion, making notes is not working for you? Then you should give this extension a try. The extension I'm using is Pomodoro extension. For me, currently I'm learning, sculpting and working on different client projects and personal projects at a time. This extension helped me with better time blocking and I can say that increased my productivity to 5 to 10%. So give it a try. All you need to do is go to Edit, Preferences, go to Get Extensions, search for Pomodoro and then click Install. After installing that, if you go to the End panel and go to Pomodoro, for me the basic settings always work the best, like 25 minutes working and a 5-minute break. And these intervals help you for the long break. And additional settings to start, resume, pause, reset and skip. And you could also see your progress percentage here. So give it a try.